Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on upvotes on your comments on Reddit. We will go to figure out the solution or know how we can do that on your Reddit. We will go up here and this is picture or this is image. We will click here on up. Then this is window show for us like you say and we just click here on settings. Then we come here to settings window and we just click here on account settings for you. Then we come to account settings here and this is window and you just click here on manage notifications. Then you come to notifications here in this window. Then you just come here to upvotes on your comments. You will click here on this is mark and like you say this is color is show for us. That's mean upvotes on your comments it's on now. So that's all now. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video.